Hello, very good morning, guys. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the new part of a series, right, of automation testing tool that is Playwright. Okay, Playwright is a very current demanding tool in the market. We are using Selenium for very long years. I hope I remember I'm using almost 13 to 14 years now Selenium. Okay, across the globe, across the different countries, many companies are using Selenium, but slowly, right, the market is going beyond Playwright. There are many requirements which is coming on Playwright. Okay, so next emerging thing in market, I think, is Playwright with other like technologies like AI, Chat GPT, right, different cloud, everything cloud is already there, but these are all the current emerging things which is happening now in the market. Okay, let's learn Playwright with you guys, right, so that right, it will be helpful to many. Okay, so Playwright is one of an open source automation framework, same like Selenium, but it is developed by Microsoft for web browser automation. Selenium is same web browser automation, right? This is also a web browser automation, but you can test the APIs also. Okay, so the main purpose of this, there are a lot of purposes. One of the main purpose is we can test multiple browsers, right? For example, Chromium, Chrome browser, WebKit, Safari, and Firefox are different browsers we can test. Okay, and there are a lot of other right key features also. Okay, like for features in the sense, right, it has, we can write a single test and test with different browsers, that is cross browser compatibility, and it has a good weight mechanism. Okay, when compared to the other tools, right, it has, right, you can wait click for an element to be visible or clickable. It has a good right weight mechanism. Okay, and it can handle complex web-based application scenarios, it can handle. Okay, and it provides right APIs for right checking the single instance browser, right, it can do it. Okay, and then it can emulate and right test the different devices. Okay, different browser sessions and different devices it can test. Okay, and test multiple page scenarios efficiently, it can test. Okay, and next one is right, it can test both headless and also headful modes. It can test both headless mode and the head modes with a integration with CI CD pipelines. Okay, for the faster execution we can test with right headless mode and also an headwork mode. Okay, and it can allow to interact with the different requests, API request and response, right. It helps to interact with different APIs, it helps to work, right, and right mock API responses, stimulate network errors. All these things can be done with the help of right Playwright, and it's an easy setup and easy usage. You can easily install, set up it, and use it, right. It has a good active community, right. That is also one important thing. And Playwright can take screenshots and record videos of test runs. Okay, so good recordings and also videos and screenshot is very effective in Playwright. Okay, and it beautifully supports API testing also. Both browser and API testing can be supported with the help of Playwright. Okay, so these are all the introduction of the Playwright. It's more effective, pass rate is more, execution time is more, and result analysis is more. So all these things are the features or the advantages of the Playwright. Let's go for an right installation part. Here in this series we are going to put Java. Okay, like what we do is, right, let me install Java first. Okay, I need to download and install Java. That is one thing. And next I should go and download Eclipse. These are all basic things which you are doing in the for Selenium like tools. Same thing, Eclipse should be downloaded, Java should be installed, Eclipse bit, right, what is the latest bit, what is the bit you have, right, you should do 3264, right? According to Mac, you should download, right? And then Maven, Apache Maven should be installed. That is also one important thing. Okay, you should download Apache Maven and install three things. One is Java, next one is Eclipse, and Apache Maven. I'm not going into too much, right, since you all know these basic things, since you are using in other tools. Let's confirm, right, with the in the command prompt. Okay, Java hyphen version, Java. Next one is, right, Maven hyphen version, Maven. Okay, so we confirm with whether it's installed or not in the command prompt. Okay, so these are all the installations you should do for Playwright. Okay, we'll continue the next script, right, next video, right, the basic syntax for the Playwright and simple execution of a small code, right. We'll see in the next part of video. Thanks for watching. Hope this series of videos is helpful to you. Okay, meet you soon in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.